Join SVM Homes and Gardens as we tour John and Margaret Page's garden in beautiful Midtown Columbus. Enjoy! Tucked away in the heart of Midtown Columbus, an enchanting English garden quietly tells the story of vision, care, and continuity. Originally designed in the 1970s by Thea Chastain, whose artistic eye brought together plant specimens from around the world, the garden remains a living canvas of color and texture. Today, it is lovingly tended by current owners Margaret and John Page, who have embraced Thea's legacy while thoughtfully adding their own touches, ensuring this garden remains not only a local treasure, but a flourishing celebration of nature's beauty across generations. The garden was originally established in the early 1970s by Dr. and Mrs. Joseph Chastain after they built the home. Thea Chastain was the visionary behind its design, crafting an English-style garden that is notable for its blend of plant specimens from Asia, Europe, and the United States. Local southern favorites such as magnolias, azaleas, gardenias, and hydrangeas are beautifully integrated into the diverse landscape. Jenny and Philip Adams then purchased the home and added their touch to the spectacular garden, and in January of 2021, Margaret and John Page bought the property and have remained true to the garden's original character while making a few thoughtful additions. Ongoing maintenance of the garden is overseen by Cole Kirkland. The garden is in near constant bloom beginning early in the year with camellias and Lenten roses. A succession of seasonal blooms including dogwoods, Japanese magnolias, multiple lily varieties, and many others ensures that there is always something beautiful in view. Margaret Page loves her English garden for the sense of peace it brings and the way it connects her to nature's quiet beauty. English gardens are renowned for their timeless elegance, blending natural beauty with careful design. Living in Midtown Columbus means being part of a vibrant, tree-lined community rich with history, character, and charm. It's a neighborhood where gardens, like the Pages, adds a little more soul to the streetscape. Margaret especially enjoys the striking combination of blue hydrangeas and guacamole hostas, and she has expanded and refreshed many of the beds, replacing older plantings and introducing new ones. The garden also features trellis-trained jasmine, leopard plants, sunflowers, flame lilies, plumbago, Chinese hibiscus, pineapple guava trees, and phlox, all contributing to the lush and ever-changing landscape. A small pool was added at the end of the terrace, designed and built by Pools by Design, a leading local expert in custom gunite pool construction. Landscape designer Greg Maddox enhanced the area around the new pool and reconfigured a path leading to the back of the house, incorporating ferns, ornamental grasses, hostas, camellias, and roses into the new layout.